Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find new clients. So finding new clients is something that we all kind of struggle with, especially in the beginning. Most of your clients are going to come from word of mouth, potentially some marketing, and maybe if you're lucky, you're going to get some referrals from other people you previously done jobs with. But especially when starting out your new printing business, you might find it extremely hard to find and especially keep new clients. Finding new clients is kind of like fishing. You need to make sure you have the appropriate bait. So here at Hole Printing, we have a special way of finding and generating new leads. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all about it. The first thing you guys want to do is do some prospecting. Are these going to be cold leads, hot leads, or very, very warm leads? Now, what does this mean? A cold lead is basically a company or individual that you have never talked to or seen before. A hot lead is somebody that has either heard of your company or has reached out in the past before. And a very warm lead, or basically an old order, is somebody that has already placed an order with your company. So for us personally here at Hole Printing, we focus on cold leads. Cold leads are the best in our opinion because it gives you abundance, it creates new contracts, it creates new relationships, and especially it creates a long-term vision for your company that is more than just, fulfilling the orders and being reactive to what is already in your printing shop. So for us, it's all about proactivity and finding new contracts. So how do we do this and how do we generate new leads? Now, there's obviously marketing, there's obviously lots of ways you can do it online, free of cost. But for us, we like to go directly to the consumer, or in our case, directly to the company. This is our new strategy that we've been implementing. This can give you a good perspective of what to expect. So basically, the main takeaway is you want to make something for someone, whether that be a company or a person. Why would somebody do business with you? Ask yourself that question. What value are you bringing? Are you going to give them more stress and headaches while dealing with you? Or are you going to make the process as simple and easy as possible for the client or consumer? In our case, our goal is to show what we can provide to the consumer before they even place an order with us. So this is the main takeaway. You want to make either a shirt, a bag, or both, or something of that nature that is promotional for the company. In our case, we've made around 25 shirts right now. These are all local companies, and we're going to show you right now a few examples of the shirts we've made. Now, obviously, some of these contracts will lead to nothing, but you never know what a simple shirt and a simple gift can do to a company or individual. You're often dealing with CEOs, so you want to make sure you make the interaction as quick and efficient as possible. These are all of the shirts that we're making right now. Now, will all of these shirts lead to contracts? We are not sure. We like to be optimistic and think that they will at least see the shirt and they will appreciate the gift if nothing leads to it. These are all of the shirts we've made, and we're making some more as we speak right now. Now, how do you actually go to these companies and show them the products that you made for them? Personally, we put it into custom bags. So let's say we have a shirt, we just slip it inside of the bag, and we also insert a note in case that we cannot talk to the actual CEO. So that way, the secretary can give it to the CEO, and once the CEO has some times, he will open the package, and from there, you might get a call back and a potential contract. So in this case, we would put this shirt, we would fold it up all nicely into this bag, and we would insert a custom note. Now, for the custom note, what I suggest is you make it as short and concise as possible without missing any details of what you want the actual consumer to know about your brand and what you can offer them. This is a prime example of what to do. Make some custom shirts, slip them into a custom bag, insert a heartfelt note of what you can provide to the company or individual, and that's pretty much it. You take a day once you have all your packages ready and you go deliver them to the companies and you try to schedule a meeting with the CEO. Obviously, I don't suggest you just straight up ask for a meeting with them. You try to ask them, either the secretary or whoever you're talking to. You ask to talk to a person in charge or the CEO if possible. And if they're not there, you simply give the box or the package away and you ask them to give it to them once they can. And that's pretty much the main takeaway of what to do to generate new leads and contracts. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.